Hey Jason, I want to give you an update on the M3 project. I'm pretty much done with it. Just want to walk around and show you what we've done. All the front headlights have been replaced. They've got clear corners like the European ones do. Front badge is replaced. The grills were replaced. All the trim's been pulled off and re-blacked. The paint is all original, but I wet sanded it all and then polished it to get it back to its original appearance. There's still a few clear coat issues, but short of repainting it, they're not fixable. The wheels were all pulled and refinished. They've been completely machined and repainted. Brand new tires all around. The radio antenna has been fixed. Had a paintless dent guy come pull all the dings out of it. Now has these little clear corner markers like the European ones do. Inside, all the leather is new. Everything leather's been reupholstered. It's got new M3 floor mats. You can see now has a 5-speed manual M3 transmission, and the ECU's been reprogrammed so that it doesn't have any warning lights. There's no warning lights on the dash when you fire it up. Everything plastic that had been broken in here has been replaced. The windows now go up and down. The seats have been repaired and now recline. And here's the new leather upholstery. The door cards, I took those off, replaced all the broken clips so now they don't rattle and they stay tight against the doors when you close them. All the LEDs and the gauge panels now work. Under the hood, I won't open it, but spark plugs been replaced. The power steering pump that was leaking was replaced. All the valve cover gaskets and spark plug gaskets have been replaced because they tend to leak a little bit. Has a new drivetrain, as you mentioned, a new transmission, new drive shaft, new rear shocks because they were blown. Now has a Porsche mass airflow sensor because it flows a little better and gains about 20 horsepower, and it's an easy swap. I think that's it. It's beautiful. I'm going to drive it for a while. Anytime you want to borrow it, let me know.